Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. In today's video, we shall learn the synonyms for the word happy. Again, a very commonly and frequently used English word. So we should know the synonyms of this to avoid repetition and level up our written and spoken English. So let's get started. The first thing to know is what is the meaning of happy and from which part of a speech does it belong to. So, happy means feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. Happy is an adjective. Adjectives are words that give us information about nouns or, in other words, which describe nouns. So, happy can be used with a noun to describe its feeling, how he feels, and the feeling should be of pleasure or contentment. So, before I give you some new words for happy, let's read this passage with the repetitive use of happy. Next, we shall learn the synonyms of happy, and at the end, we shall try to fix all of them in our passage just to level it up. So, let's read it with me. In the magical town of Jowell, the air was filled with happiness and laughter. Kids played in the park, feeling happy as they ran around and giggled together. A happy clown performed tricks, making everyone happy with his funny antics. Nearby, a group of happy friends built a sandcastle on the beach. Their smiles were as bright as the sun. Over by the swings, Emily discovered a hidden treasure, and her happy shouts of joy echoed the air. In the center of town, a happy parade marched by, led by a colorful float that made everyone happy. The day ended with a spectacular fireworks display that left everyone feeling happy as the colorful lights painted the sky and filled hearts with happiness. So now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times I have used the word happy, and I believe that we need to replace it with some synonyms. So let's find out some new words and also how to use them in sentences. The first word is simply happy, and we'll see that how we can use happy in a sentence. For me, being happy means eating my favorite ice cream on a sunny day. Happy. Glad. We can replace the word happy with glad. Alia's parents were glad to see their daughter's drawing. Glad means happy. Delighted. He was delighted when he opened the gift and found his favorite book inside. Delighted. Delighted also means happy. Merry. The kids were all merry when they played games and had fun at the birthday party. Merry. Elated. Andrew was elated after winning the 300 meters race. Elated. It's an strong adjective which means very happy or extremely happy. Gleeful. Emily felt gleeful as she walked with her dad looking at the colorful autumn leaves. Gleeful. Joyful. She felt so joyful when she saw the rainbow after the rain stopped. Joyful. Cheerful. The cheerful puppy wagged its tail and bounced around when it saw its owner. Cheerful. On cloud nine. Now, this is an idiom that we use for the word happy. Winning the game made Sarah feel like she was on cloud nine. it means that she was very happy. Jubilant. My cousins and I were jubilant when we went on the roller coaster. Jubilant. Jovial. Grandpa's jokes always make us feel jovial during family gatherings. Jovial. Jolly. The jolly snowman in the yard made everyone smile and feel festive. Jolly. Ecstatic. When the magician pulled a rabbit out of the hat, the children in the audience were absolutely ecstatic with surprise and wonder. Ecstatic. And this is the time to pause your video. Please go back to the passage that I have shown you in the beginning of the video and try to level up that passage with the given vocabulary. Or if you want to see my passage with the new vocabulary, here it is. In the magical town of Jovel, the air was filled with happiness and laughter. Kids played in the park feeling merry as they ran around and giggled together. A jolly clown performed tricks, making everyone feel jovial with his funny antics. Nearby, a group of cheerful friends built a sandcastle on the beach, their smiles as bright as the sun. Over by the swings, Emily discovered a hidden treasure, and her elated shouts of joy echoed through the air. In the center of town, a joyful parade marched by, led by a colorful float that made everyone delighted. The day ended with a spectacular fireworks display that left everyone feeling ecstatic as the colorful lights painted the sky and filled hearts with delight. And this is how I have upleveled my passage with varied vocabulary. Try to use these words in your everyday written and spoken English. I hope you have found this video useful. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.